I am merely.
You got the orange wheel.
So guys, before I show you the car, there's a few sponsors I'd like to thank. First of all, Land of Legends TV. Land of Legends TV is live streaming every show this year for free. That's right, for free. No catch, no payments, no gimmicks or anything like that, just free. Just sign up and watch all the racing I do live. Even better, if you want, get your backside, trackside, enjoy the atmosphere and the action at one of the best racetracks around. Land of Legends TV, I'll leave a link in the description. Next up, A1 Racing Products. Brad sells everything and anything racing related. He's also a main distributor for Bicknell Racing Products. He has all the knowledge as well as he's been racing many different divisions competitively for over 35 years. And yep, of course, typical America, he sells guns too. Also, Advanced Auto Parts in downtown Horseheads, New York. They sell everything to keep your car serviced and running right. From wiper blades, oil filters, hoses, anything that your car has, they sell it. So thanks heaps to them. Thanks heaps to everyone else that helps me do what I love too. So here you go guys, here's the car. And lastly, Eric Williams from Fastlane Rod and Customs for making all this happen. I really appreciate everything you've done for me, mate. Thank you. Cheers.